Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everyone. My name is Abdul Karim alias from University Science Malaysia. Okay, do you want to create a dynamic instructional video? Last week on Friday, I have covered the first part, how to use OBS and how to set up OBS to record an instructional video that is dynamic. What does it mean by dynamic? Basically, dynamic presentation or dynamic instructional video will contain many scenes, and you can switch and transition from one scene to another scene very easily. Let me show you the example. So I will go to OBS. So this is the OBS, and in the first part last week I've shown how to set up this one. So when I say dynamic presentation or dynamic instructional video, you can see here that we have set up a few scenes. So let me show here. So we start with the intro video, then we go to the next screen, which basically is me or the speaker in the computer screen. Then you have the lower third or the name appear and disappear. Then we have another scene here, okay, my webcam on one side here, then the slide or the text whatever on the other side. Then we have speaker in full screen, and I can bring in the video, I can hide the video, then I can talk about another topic, then I can bring in another video. So then I can go to the, let's say in between, I can show a B-roll video like this. Then I can go back to another screen like this. I can go back to the full screen. I can go to my PowerPoint, then I have the speaker and the PowerPoint, and yeah, like this. So these are the multiple scenes that we can create on OBS. And in the first part on Friday last week, I have shown how to set up this one. If you missed that, don't worry, you can find the video recording on my YouTube channel, about 1.5 hours, and I've shown how to set up this one. In the second part tomorrow, inshallah at 3 p.m, I will show you how to set up some additional things in OBS. For example, how to set up the hotkeys so that you can switch from one scene to another scene very easily and very fast, and some other settings. Then I will show you on Canva how to use Canva and another application called Pixlr. Okay, so tomorrow in the second part of this topic, I will show you how to use Canva to produce some of the resources that we can use as part of the dynamic instructional video. For example, just now the intro video, then the screen that you are seeing now is basically prepared in Canva, but in order for my webcam to appear like this, I have to cut out the shape to make it transparent, and this has to be done in another application called Pixlr. So you will get to learn tomorrow Canva and Pixlr combined together. You can produce a lot of effects by using template from Canva. Then you can prepare the transparent PNG that you can bring into OBS and set up your video so that it appears like what you are seeing now on the screen. Now I'll show you some more example of what we can produce using Canva. For example, this one, the template is from Canva, but you have to make the webcam portion to be transparent, and that can be done in Pixlr, and save the file as transparent PNG. It's very simple to do. I promise I'll show you tomorrow. Let's look at some other example here. Oops, I have to adjust my position now. Okay, so you can see my video, my webcam in the smartphone. Okay, that portion, the video in the smartphone, I have to make it transparent, and this one I have to cut it out in the application called Pixlr, which is very simple to do, and I'll show you tomorrow. And this is another example here. This one is the iPad now, the iPad screen. Okay, So you can see I can speak from here. Then hello, how are you? My name is Abdul Karim, welcome. So as you can see here, there are many things we can do. Many things we can do with Canva as well as plus Pixlr, and this is the resources or the asset that we can prepare and bring into OBS and create other scenes together. Then we can start the recording, switching from one scene to another scene seamlessly. If we plan very carefully, you can do the whole presentation in OBS, and the whole thing can be your product, and you probably don't need very much post editing. So you spend a lot of time in planning and you save a lot of time in editing. If you need post editing, you can bring the video into another video editing and do some more, polishing. So that's basically what you're going to learn in the second part tomorrow. I hope you can join. I will be live on my YouTube channel. Okay, so I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.